Hi friends, welcome back. It's Miss H again, here to do another letter video. So we've already done A and we've done B. Now we're going to do all about C. Does anybody know what sound C makes? Can you tell me? K, K. That's right. That's our letter sound that C makes. So let's do our letter chart. We'll practice writing our letters. We'll do our letter poem. And then we'll come back to our chart before I sign off. So all about C. This one says, Carla has a cat. She combs its curly coat. K, K, K. Carla combs and combs. Can you guys find all the letter C's there? Great job. So let's put this back in. So here's how we write our letter C. It still starts at the top, but unlike our other letters that started in the middle or at the side, this one kind of starts over on this side. And this letter is a curve all the way. No straight lines, just a curve. But notice it doesn't close. There's a space. Because if you closed it, it would be the letter O. So you start at the top, curve all the way, and stop. Lowercase c is very similar, just smaller. Start here, curve all the way around, and stop. Once again, curve around and stop. Curve around and stop. We have 4 letter cards. Our first one is cat. Do any of you have a cat at home? Maybe. Miss H is allergic to cats, so I can't have one. Cake. How many of you like cake? What's your favorite kind of cake? Miss H likes vanilla cake better than chocolate cake. Cookies. And these cookies are not only cookies, but they're chocolate chip cookies. Both of those words also start with C. And a computer. This might not look like the computers you've seen, but that's what computers used to look like. So computer also starts with the letter C. All right, let me grab my whiteboard. And here we have it split in half again, ready to go. So let's start with our capital C's first. So we're going to start over here. And see how I stopped? I didn't keep going. I don't want to close it because I don't want to make the letter O. Good. And one more. There's our capital C. Lowercase c is just the same, but it's smaller. And remember, we're not closing it because we don't want the letter O. So see if you guys can write some of your own letter C's. Practice at home. Can you do it? Can you do capital and lowercase? Awesome. All right, let me put my marker away so it doesn't dry out. So if you remember, after we practice writing our letters, we do our letter poem. So let me share my screen with you. All right, let's find our letter poems. B was last video. Let's do C this time. Get rid of me. All right, so let's find our pen first. I think we're going to change the color today. I think we're going to do red. So first step is to trace our letter. So here we go. Perfect. Now let's read our poem together. Cranky Carl, the crab, crawls along the ocean floor. Racing and chasing the colorful fish cruising by. So I'm going to read it for you one more time. Cranky Carl the crab crawls along the ocean floor, racing and chasing the colorful fish cruising by. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start finding those letter C's. Our first word is cranky. Do you guys ever feel cranky? I know sometimes I do. So let's highlight this letter C that cranky starts with. And then our crab's name is Carl. Does Carl have a C? Sure does. It starts with 1. So let's do Carl. The? No. How about crab? Good. Crab starts with a C. Crawls also starts with a C. Along? Nope. We already know that the doesn't have any. We did that up there. But ocean, do you see a C? Good, right here next to the letter O. What about floor? No C there. Racing? Good job, right in the middle. And? Nope. Chasing. Good, chasing starts with a C. The? Nope. Colorful? Good, colorful starts with a C. Fish? No. Cruising? Good, starts with a C. By? Nope. So let me go find our stamp. And let's count together to see how many C's did we find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go ahead and take a look at our poem. Did I miss any letter C's? Nope. So we had 9 letter C's this time. Great job, friends. Let's clear that and come back to our letter chart. So remember, all about C, like cat and cake and cookies and computer. So remember, you guys can always go back and watch this video again if you want to see how to write our letter or hear some of those letter words or practice our poem again. So I hope you guys had fun learning all about the letter C, and I will see you next time for the letter D. Bye, friends.